Welcome to .NET Core 5 website development. Now we have the basic structure. We want to implement basically sorting, filtering, and paging. So if somebody want to sort by the brand name or filter by the brand name, and paging if there are 100 or 1,000 cars, then we need to have some sort of paging mechanism. So that we are going to implement as in this video. We will put the link if you're interested um, in the comment box, and we'll see how to implement that here. Okay, so um, basically they are uh, putting the sorting in the index method with uh, with the view data variable. So we'll see whether we can do the similar thing. Okay, so to start, uh, I have just cut and pasted this part into here, so and change this, so it is what we are interested in is the title. So in the car there is a field called title which describes the details of the car, so we want to sort on that. So and the sort order will be title. It will be descending, or if not, it can be something else. So it is and the date sort parameter. So this is the date inserted we are going to use. Probably we might introduce year of manufacture later, and there are no students, so we will just replace every student with the word car. Edit, find and replace, quick replace. So in the selection, will student will be replaced by car. Go one by one. Okay, we can replace everything, I think. Yeah, okay, that's okay. Following text was not found. Okay, we had to have been students. Okay, so um, there is no enrollment date, so it is, I think we call it in date. Yep. uh, we will order cars by title standard. Okay, this one also has to be car. Okay, we'll change it here to make it lowercase. Okay, so we need to change it. Let me see. Yep. Okay, the sort order will have to come from the view file, so it will be string sort order. And now we'll see. So looks everything is okay. We'll see whether we can build that. Yeah, build is okay. There is nothing on the view page, so it won't bring the sort order. Okay, and we'll see what is the next step. So we will have to add the hyperlinks to the index view, and also the uh, and the search box, we'll try the search box first. So we will add the filtering functionality to the index box or searching functionality. So to do that, we will add a string, search string, in the controller. So we'll use that just above the car controller, just before the, and also we need to get this search string. There is no student, so we need to replace that with car. So if search string is not null and not empty, we will search for a car where s.title contains search string. I think we don't have anything else, so let me have a look at the car class. We can look at the description, but that would overload. If you want, we can add the description, but I don't want to do that. Car controller, so we don't want this part. So if the title contains search string, it should bring it up here, and after that it will go through the sort order. Okay, and but we have not added the, so we will add the form to get that search string. Then have a division in the index method, index view file. Yeah, sorry. Find by title. This will bring up any current filter if there is any. Yep. Okay. Um, we'll see what is happening. We'll, so we have the search box. We'll just search maybe Toyota, Toyota. Click. Okay, there is one. Back to full list. Okay, looks like it is working. We'll see the word auto. We'll see. So there is only one auto. Yep. Okay. And okay, we have the word brand new. We just say brand new or new. Search. Okay, we have three. Looking at the cars class, we can also include the model, because it is just text string. This one is not used, we are not using anymore because we are using car brand. We might have to clean this one up by removing it later. And so in the search we will include O s dot brand, no, model, is dot model, it is right, models, okay, contains search string. Okay, we'll see. Yep. So for example, we want to be able to search, let me see, search for Prius, Prius. Yep, so it is working. Yep. Okay, we want to be able to sort the listing by the year. This is the year the car was made, and also the date it was inserted into the listing. So we have added that to the index page so people can see it. Let me see how it looks. Um, so we get the year and also the date inserted. Maybe we can shorten this thing later, and we'll see how it is implemented on the. So if you look at the Microsoft's article, so um, it has this ASP action, ASP route, sort order. So it is sending a parameter called sort order or variable called sort order. So we will copy this one and paste it and modify as required. I think it is Control C, and it has to be at the top here. Okay, so we don't need that part. Um, this will be model dot indate. This will be model dot, we want to have the year, and maybe we will code this year sort parameter. Okay, maybe we can have it as we just use that date sort parameter, and this one we don't need this part. So it should send the sort order. Okay, we'll see how it works. And in the car controller there is the sort order, date sort parameter, year sort parameter, year date, and at the bottom we have sort order. So we are going to switch by sort order. So if it is um, case date, um, if it is date descending, s dot, oh, we have two of the same, yeah, that's okay. S dot in date. If it is date, maybe we should make it tools under. Okay, leave it as order by in date. And the other thing, sort order, case year descending, s dot year. And so in the case just year. Okay, so we'll see how it is going. The main chain, the index file, yes. Okay, so we have the date. So if we want to sort by in date, yep, okay, it looks like it is working. And year, yep, okay, it looks like it is working. Yeah. Okay, couple of things we want to do is we want to have the title on several lines so it can be easy to read. So we add this annotation. Display type data type is multi-line text, so we add that to the description as well somewhere here. I think it is, yeah, okay. Yeah, description as well, we will have that one. And the other thing is the date format, so we will change the display format to this one. If you search on the Microsoft site, there are so many other data annotations you can use. We'll see how it looks when we debug. um, Now you can see the date is only date and the year, so we have shortened it. And also the title, it can come into several lines, so it looks better in line with the image and all that sort of thing. So um, other thing we want to do is we want to bring up the header. So this thing posted on, we want to have it on top of this one and the year on top of this one, so it is easy to understand. And we'll do that. And it is in the index file. So if we go to the index file, so first item we see is the brand, so we will bring that thing up. See brand, and maybe we will have to specify the width. We'll see to it later. And second thing is the model. So .mo, yep, model. And what is there for the third is the image. No, not the image, so the item title. So we will have the title. Maybe we can give a better name rather than title, but we'll leave it at the time being because we can't use description because description is already used somewhere else. um, and the year and in date, so the year next has to come. Yep, this thing has to come up. And yep, okay. Description, we might have to specify this, not the description, the title, so we'll specify the same width. And here we will have one, we will have two, and the next one 112. So this is still one, will be two. So 2 4 5 10. Okay, something is amiss. Image is 2, there is 2 more. Let me see how it looks. Okay, so it is not coming exactly. Car and brand is okay, but this one has gone somewhere else, so we will sort it out. Yeah. Okay, the problem is we were missing the class row at the end of at the beginning of the row, so now I have added that. And so this is for the image, so we don't have to say it is the image, so we'll see how it looks like now. So car brand is here, model is here, and the title is here, so here is okay, and the posted on date and the image, so it comes correctly. And you can have a long description, it will yeah, and you can sort by posted date or you can sort by year. Okay, now in the search we have included the model and the title, but car brand we have not included. We can for that I want to use a filter facility rather than the find by title or model. So we'll see how we can do it. We need to have a box with select facility. So doing that, we'll go to the index file. We will add the um, select option. Select. um, we'll give it a name, brand filter, and same similar. And and give the option to select from the enumerated list. We will see, we will format document, so that looks okay. So we'll try to store that value in the view.data field and filter. We'll see whether it works. We have a select button. No, we didn't get the list. Let me see. Yep. So we are getting it from the enumerated selected list. So we have the model selection list in the enumerator file. These are the values, and we'll see. Okay, yep, okay, so it is coming up. So we'll select Mazda and search. Yep, okay, it is not coming up because we have not added the filter expression. But so when you select Mazda and search, it should get to here. Let me see, Mitsubishi search. Yeah, okay, so it changed the value of the brand filter to 4. If you select Toyota, it should be search brand filter 0. Yeah, okay, so um, we need to implement it in the controller, car controller. So we will add the value. So um, where is dot c brand equals, we need to add the value brand filter, so we need to bring this one here. So it is a car brand filter. Brand filter is an integer, but we will convert it to car brand, because if you look at the enumerator, it is you can see the number 0 for Toyota, Mazda number 1, like that. So it is actually a number, even though we store it as an enumerator. Car controller, so that should equals brand filter. Okay, and it will select. Yep, is, we'll see whether that happens now. Debug, start debugging. Okay, there is a little bit of a problem because it is already selecting Toyota, because it is getting the, probably getting the value 0, because we have not assigned the value. We'll see whether other things work. So we'll see Mazda. Do we have any? I think we have some Ford. We'll see search. So it is getting Ford and Mitsubishi. There should be some Mitsubishi. Yep, there is one Mitsubishi. Okay. So when you select Toyota, it comes to here as 0. So what we will do is, we will remove that 0. Will change the enumerator. Maybe we'll change Toyota to equals 1. Now you see Mazda is 2, Ford is 3. So all the brands have changed, but doesn't matter for our purpose, because these are all fictitious cars. So um, if we can have, if brand filter is larger than 0, Maybe we need to convert this to integer. Do this. Else, okay, it is still complaining car is not there. Okay, what is car is? Local int variable car. Okay, so maybe we have to declare it before. Um, Now we'll change this. Other option is we can do this in two stages. One is just go without that. That might be a much cleaner option. Yeah, we'll see how this works. Debug, start debugging. Mm, Still doesn't come. Yeah, Toyota, Ford, Ford is coming. Honda, Honda is coming, but initial one is here. Okay, we'll do it the other way. Um, okay, that is the mistake. So we have to remove this part. That is the mistake. Debug, start debugging. We'll see. Come on, yep. Okay, now it looks like okay. So we get all the brands. Now we can select, if you select Toyota, search. Yep. Okay, there is only one Toyota. Do we have any Mazda? Yep, there is Mazda, and there is Ford. Yep. Okay, and do we have any Honda? Yeah, okay, there is one. Um. Okay. Um. In the next video, we will implement a way to do sort of paging. Uh, this part what I have done is not in the Microsoft um, Microsoft tutorial. It has only, even though it says filtering, it is only filtering by the uh, title. So I have added that filtering by the enumerator, so that looks much better. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.